Now let's talk about understanding a fact table. Now, fact tables are obviously an integral part of a data warehouse and a data mart, and a fact table is simply a collection of measurements. Note the word measurements. This is usually a number. It's something that we can very specifically measure and something that we can very specifically identify about a very specific business process. So notice the words there, measurement and specific, because a fact table generally contains a single identifiable fact about a specific process. How many particular products we sold, how much a particular thing weighed, how much tax have been charged that we've collected, order quantities, how much was discounted, those sorts of things. The numbers of our business are usually what show up in the fact table. Now, fact tables may contain multiple measurements, however, only if these measurements are very closely related and we have a reason to see these right next to each other or in that kind of a close relationship. Now, a data warehouse will often have many fact tables because each individual fact table stores data or a measurement for each specific business area. But think about this. If I've got a fact table that stores the number of products sold, and then I also want to see information on the tax amounts, and I want to see information on the shipping weights, I want those to be in 3 separate fact tables because I want to look at this information from many different levels of detail with my dimensions. So I want to put them out in separate ones. Now, again, I'll mention this a lot in this course. Data warehouse design is science, no doubt, but it's more art and creativity and understanding of your data than anything else. So when you go out there and try to dig around for information on exactly how to create a data warehouse, you're going to find that there's a lot of debate and there's a lot of leeway that you have in the design of these things. And the bottom line is you want to make sure you can get out what you need. But generally with your fact tables, they are absolutely always going to store one very specific, very focused set of measures that we're going to use our dimensions to extract different levels and pivots on that data. And number 2, you're going to have a bunch of fact tables in your data warehouse. So just keep that in mind, and in just next, 3 or 4 videos, we're actually going to get into building our data warehouse based on our database.